Greetings. In this session, we will take a look at journals and wikis and how they are used in Blackboard. We can set up journals and wikis by finding them under Course Tools. Think of them as containers in which we will create specific journals and wikis, and then we link to those items from the content area using the Tools option. Journals are a space for private communication between the student and the instructor. The students can be invited to share their reflection on what they have learned in the course, any difficulties or concerns, and so on. Generally, journals will have a low point value, and you would invite students to submit the journals at multiple points throughout the term. Wikis are a derivative of what everyone has come to know as Wikipedia. It is a space for collaboration where students come together to build something. They can edit each other's posts. And some of the ways in which you may want to use a wiki is to invite students to build a bibliography or have them take specific terms and share definitions. You can have them research different resources on a specific topic and share them. You can also have them do summaries of articles and share them. You can have them build a collaborative paper where individuals are assigned specific components of the paper. So here we are back in our Sea Turtles course, and here is the design document. The wiki and the reflection journal are to be integrated in week 3. So let me first remove the background. So to set up the wiki and the reflection journal, first thing we will do is go into Course Tools and let's set up the journal first. So as you can see, the interface is somewhat similar to what we have seen in the discussion board. So we click on Create Journal, and here the title is Reflection Journal 3.1. So drop that in here. And next we need to drop in the prompt. So here is the prompt. Copy it and paste it. And again, remember, remove formatting and then format using the options available in Blackboard. We have set up our prompt, and now as we scroll down, the same options that we have seen for some of the other components of Blackboard. This is a graded item. The point value is 50, and we can set the due date. We can also add a rubric. For right now, I'm just going to go ahead and click Submit. So I've set up the reflection journal here, and now I need to link to it from week 3. So in order to link to it, again go to Tools, find Journals, click on Link to Journal, select the journal and click Next. Drop the same prompt here so that the students can view the prompt before they submit the journal. Now that the prompt is ready here, I go ahead and click Submit. When you go into the student preview mode, the student is going to be able to go into weekly content, week 3, click on the journal, read the prompt, and then click to launch it to submit the journal by creating a journal entry. Now let's see how we can create a wiki. And again, I go back to Course Tools and look for wikis. Same process, create a wiki. And now here is the title. So once again, my prompt is ready. Some options that are similar to the ones we have seen before. We are looking to make this as a graded assignment, and the point value is 150. And then again, you can set the due date, add a rubric, and then click Submit. Now again, we need to link to the wiki from the relevant content area. So week 3. And interestingly, Blackboard includes the prompt from the wiki when we link to it from a content area. And then click Submit. Once the students have submitted the journal and the wiki, we grade those items by going to the grade center. I usually use the full grade center as the starting point. So let's see what the reflection journal here has to show us. So when I click on view grade details and then grade user activity, I can see the journal entry. Enter a grade. I can enter the feedback to the student and then click submit. When I return to the grade center, I can now move on to grading the wiki. So let's look at Troy Past's wiki post. As you can see, you've got a version of the page. So if I click on the version, it shows me the current version of the wiki, but it does not show me what Troy Past has entered. In order to view this particular student's submission, I need to click on this link and it shows me the entries made by Troy Past. So as you can see, Troy corrected the spelling, added a sentence here, and added one more organization. Now I can also go here and look at Joanna Strickland. And again, the same process. I click on the page version and it looks like this may have been the first entry. And so I can then look at that and I can submit the grade for it.